If you're having a problem with a Windows app, the repair or reset options in Windows can fix the problem. So, instead of jumping to reinstalling an app that isn't working, use the repair and reset options first to fix apps. This can save your time and hassle of a complete reinstall. Repairing an app on Windows 11 is straightforward using the Settings app and returns it to its default state without losing any of your data. If the repair doesn't work, you can reset an app on Windows 11. A reset can fix app problems. Note that you can only use the repair or reset option for apps you install from the Microsoft Store from the Settings app on Windows 11.